hypothetical question. Let's say I have a friend and he raped this girl and he wanted to get rid of the body, so he killed her. However, one day, nakita niya yung babae. Buhay pa pala siya. Ano magagawa ng kaibigan ko?
Well, it depends on his motive. Kung nakokonsensya siya, eh, di susuko siya. Pero kung gusto niyang takasan, he could just walk away.
What if he doesn't want to walk away, pero gusto niya takasan ng krimen?
Then he has to know kung anong nalalaman ng biktima. Kung nakapag-file na ba ng complaint, may suspect na ba, may kaso. He has to know of any new developments para alam niya kung paano siya kikilos.
So, kailangan malaman ng kaibigan ko kung kilala siya ng biktima.
Tell me, William, kaibigan mo ba talaga to o ikaw mismo?